Hey everyone, so I'm absolutely enjoying my new haircut. So I wanted to come and show you guys my first wash day after I cut my hair. So usually by the end of the week, my hair is looking super crazy, dry, unruly. There's just nothing I can do to it. So it's time to wash. This is the shampoo that I'm going to be using right here. I'm going to just use that up. I found it under my cabinet. It's a really good clarifying shampoo. Strips all the dirt and buildup out. So this is what my hair is looking like right here with the shampoo rinsed out. I'm actually not going to deep condition my hair. Sometimes when I'm low on time, I just shampoo my hair, but I'm going to show you what I do instead. So I always use my Creme of Nature with argan oil leave-in conditioner. I always put that on my hair after I'm done washing it and make sure it's dispersed really good. I make sure to saturate. Like, I am not definitely not stingy with using this product. This is really good. Help moisturize your hair. So I'm going to use this right here. This is hard to find in the store. I'll leave the link down in the description box. It's called Split End. I think it's called Split End Mender or Repair or something like that. But my little thing that I use is I try to use a cream leave-in conditioner or a cream moisturizer if I'm not going to deep condition my hair. That's kind of how I get away with it. And then right here, this is just the heat protectant that I'm going to use. It helps protect my hair from the heat of the blow dryer and the flat iron. It also helps me to detangle in the step that I'm doing right here. But going back to the step where I skipped deep conditioning, like I said, I can get away with it usually if I use a really good leave-in conditioner that's creamy or a hair moisturizer. And like the one that I use in this video, it makes my hair super soft, super manageable, but it's really hard to find in the store. So I think a good alternative is the Pantene, I think it's called a detangling milk or something like that. I'll find it and I'll leave it in the description box. But anywho's, after I'm done detangling, adding my products, go ahead and blow dry my hair section by section. This is the Red by Kiss blow dryer. I absolutely love this blow dryer. Like ever since I got it, the comb attachment is awesome on here, and that really helps me to get my hair straighter and also to free up a hand. Because usually, you know, you have a blow dryer in one hand and you have a comb, or some people use a brush. But by the comb being attached to the blow dryer, it makes it so much easier. And if you pay attention to how I'm holding it, I'm actually not holding it by the handle, but I'm holding it by the nozzle. To me, that gives you more control over it, so that you can blow dry your hair better. To me, it's kind of like the handleless version they have, how it doesn't have a handle on it. Like, it really does offer you more control if you hold it by the nozzle. So just going through blow dry my hair section by section, giving it a little bit of tension helps it to get straighter even before I get to the flat iron step. I'm just not realizing that I didn't have my mic on, so maybe you guys can hear me a little louder and clearer now. But on this part right here, I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch me finish blow drying my hair, and then I'll chime back in on the flat ironing section. So if you guys watched my last video where I cut my hair, then you will see that I use this same exact flat iron. This is the flat iron that I've been using for several months, and it just really does a good job of straightening my hair. One pass, I usually put it on 360. but I'll make sure to leave a coupon code if you're interested in looking further into it. Now that I've cut my hair, it just makes it so easier to flat iron. Like the ends are even, there's no snagging. Like it really does make it easier when you have fresh ends or when you get your dead ends cut off. Just effortless. It looks better. The flow is definitely nicer. This flat iron makes my hair really silky, and it definitely helps with the bounceability, if that's a word. So now I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching me basically flat iron my hair row by row so you can see in detail what I do. Alright, so here are my results after I flat ironed my hair, and it still turned out really good even though I didn't deep condition my hair. I mean, deep conditioning is really good for your hair, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you just can't always do it, but you can still achieve good results with your hair. Just make sure to use good leave-in products, but don't be too heavy-handed with it, because at the same time you don't want your hair to be weighed down. You want it to be nice and bouncy and flowy like this right here. And usually when I wrap my hair at night, I've gotten to the point where I may moisturize it maybe like twice a week, if that, because I just don't like it to be too weighed down. But I just make sure that I get my ends moisturized when I wrap my hair up for the night, and just put a tad bit of oil on it. Make sure you guys check out my recommended videos coming up, and if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.